Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 9th, 2025, we're taking a look at Litecoin, LTCUSD, and we're going to analyze recent news events and how they correlate with chart data. We'll identify key price levels, discuss potential trends, and figure out whether we should be bullish or bearish and when. First, let's look at some of the headlines. Forbes is talking about Litecoin, with Bitcoin volatility measure fell to nearly 8-month low in February. Crypto News mentions that the Litecoin price is hovering near a crucial resistance level, with both fundamentals and technical indicators suggesting a potential surge of over 75% this year. Investing Haven reports Litecoin is up 2%, but fails to break above $110 and asks, why is Litecoin crashing? Now, let's dive into the daily chart. We can see a significant surge beginning in late February 2024. This rally peaked around March 2024, pushing Litecoin to highs around $110. After the Litecoin halving, the price peaked. There's been some large pullbacks and large gains and dips around positive and negative news. Looking at the recent price action, the daily chart shows a consolidation period with some volatility. We need to watch the $80 level as a potential support. Failing to hold that, we could see a test of lower levels from earlier in 2024, around $60 to $70. On the upside, the $110 to $115 range acted as resistance, but we now broke past that, and we might go up to $130. However, failure to hold this level may push the price back down. News of further ETF delays or negative macroeconomic data could contribute to a bearish outlook. However, with the recent surge, it's possible that the ETF approval may be coming up, pushing the price higher. The Litecoin Summit 2025 is also coming up in May, which may also contribute to a higher value in the long run. Let's zoom in on a shorter time frame for a more granular view. Here's the 1-hour chart, specifically looking at March 5th to today, March 9th. We see a lot of up and down action. This could represent indecision in the market or active trading around key news events. Looking at the data, we see the $110 resistance was tested and broken, then it consolidated, so now we need to see if it's used as support. If we compare this to the daily chart, we can see where the hourly candles make up the larger daily candles. For a very short-term view, let's look at the 15-minute chart from March 3rd to March 5th. Notice the choppiness and quick reversals. If we see continued consolidation above $110 on the 1-hour chart, we can have an expectation for a bullish surge, but if it falls below that, it's time to reassess based on any available news. On the 1-day chart, the overall likelihood of reaching $160 is low based on how often it rejects at the $110 range, but a solid long-term uptrend and strong positive news could increase the chances. We need to keep an eye out for the White House summit and the U.S. non-farm payrolls report, as this is likely to influence investor sentiment. To recap, key price levels to watch are $80, $110, $115, $130. If we see continued consolidation above the $110 level, that would be a strong buy signal. However, failure to reclaim $100 could lead to a further drop to the $85 support level. Important events coming up are Litecoin Summit 2025 in May and any news surrounding ETF approvals. Also, remember that crypto investments are volatile and you can lose all your money. Make sure to do your own research and trade responsibly.